Hello, I'm welcoming those of you who may be buying a house from a family member. It's going to be an easier process for you because you're buying from family. That's the way it's supposed to be anyway. There are some family horror stories out there. I'm sure some people might be watching this and say, "Oh no, Eric, I went through this. I wish I never bought from family." But the good news for you is that when you're buying from a family member, oftentimes you're getting a bit of a discount on the price. And that discount is considered to be a gift of equity, which is going to be used as all or part of your down payment needed to purchase the home. So that's the biggest benefit. The other benefit is if you also need closing costs, they can cover your closing costs too as part of the program, especially if we're doing an FHA loan for you. So those are the two major benefits. Another good benefit is you're likely familiar with the house, and your access to the house is likely going to be easier than it would be if you're buying from a stranger. So if there are problems with the house, hopefully this is a close family member and they're being upfront and honest with you about the issues that the house has. So you're hopefully going to have no hidden secrets about the repair issues or repair history that is associated with the house. In some instances, you may already be living in the house, which means that you're very familiar with what's happening there. So, but either way, this can be done. FHA is a great way to do this. If you have credit scores over 620 and the down payment is sizable enough, we can help you do this with a conventional loan. But either way, we'll help walk you through the process to help you figure out how this needs to be laid out. A lot of people come and say, well, the house is worth 200, but they're selling it to be for 150. So no, the contract at that point needs to be closer to market value, or to at least be high enough to include the down payment that you need. Again, we'll help you with that before you're in contract with your family member. Just visit us at dreamhomefinancing.com. I'll link down below in the first pinned comments and also the description for you. If you found this to be helpful, please hit that like button for me, and we look forward to helping you. Thanks for watching today, and we hope you have a great day.